we got lucky. We finally got one that
But
worked.
it works.
This is the 9th elevator. 8 of them were broken.
The only one Jeff didn't come in for. Here it is.
Well, he might have to call for help if we get stuck in this thing.
It closes immediately.
Hold on.
Door open button.
Hey, Nathan.
Hi. Let's hit 5. Let's only take one ride.
Yeah, I definitely will.
I think we're at 5.
Holy shit. This thing's freaky.
As soon as the door opens,
Yeah?
it
Let's get
closes.
one. Let's just get that on.
These are the first time I've ever seen these fixtures.
Really?
Yeah, on an actual elevator.
Oh shit, you're right. Whoa.
Clunk.
Ooh, I hate this thing. Let me out.
We're getting out, don't worry. When we get to 1, we'll get out.
I don't like this thing.
Here we
Okay,
go.
no, we're done.
And the door will close.
Goodbye.
It opens.
Oh, send it up. I want to hear the machine go.
Oh, okay.
Here, step back. I want to get a picture.
Wait. Wall. Didn't notice that wall.
Huh, well, that's it.